गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। मेरा नाम है भावना चौधरी, जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं। तो मैं ये जो वीडियो बनाना चाह रही हूँ, मेरा जो हमेशा से मोटिव रहता है, सो आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू मेक द वीडियोस फॉर फ्रेशर्स, राइट? सो दैट फ्रेशर्स get a job in new MNCs, right? So those are freshers, मतलब we can say um, just graduate or the 12th pass or undergrad or a dropout and looking for a job in a customer service. So I'm on a daily basis posting for the customer service roles jobs, right? So right today I'm just want to discuss one thing from you guys. So there's a I make a list for questions, right, which on a regular basis ask in the companies, right? So whenever you go for the interview, the recruiter, the first recruiter, the operations manager, right, in any point of view, they ask some questions, and all the questions are same, right? But you have to demonstrate it. You have to answer according to the company need, as per the person to person, right? So there are a few questions which I want to share today. So first question is, tell me something about yourself. This is a question which represents you. First, your resume. After resume, this is a question which you need to prepare very well, because whenever you got the call from HR, so first question they ask, tell me something about yourself. So you have to be prepared for this question, right? The another question which I want to share for the customer service, that how do you define excellent customer service? If you are experienced, right, so you know very well, right, how do you define excellent communication, excellent communicate customer service, right? So if you are fresher and not work with any organization, so you can share your experiences. As per your experiences, what is the excellent customer service, right? And the third question is, describe a time when you turned an angry customer into a satisfied one. So this question is also for the experienced people, right? And how do you handle, the fourth question is, how do you handle stress during the peak times? So this question is also for the experienced people, right? And another questions, what would you do if you didn't know the answer to the customer question? So this is for the both, for the freshers and for the experienced people as well, as right. So I just want to make sure that you can prepare on a daily basis, because practice make a man perfect. And if you do some mock interview practice in front of the mirror, in front of your mother, father, sister, brother, or your friend, right, so you will build your confidence in front of them now. So it is good, you can take some time, get some time, take some time and prepare these questions well, and make some mock interviews. We do some mock interviews, what we can say make some videos, right, so that you'll get the idea from where you're wrong and what you need to improve, right? So the questions I already told you. So what are the five questions? Just we can go through it, right? The first question is, tell me something about yourself. Then second question is, how do you define excellent customer service? Third question, define the time when you turned an angry customer into the satisfied customer. How do you handle stress during peak times? And the final question is, what would you do if you didn't know the answer to the customer question? Right? So these are the five questions. You can explain as per your experiences. That is well and good, right? My motive is only that you can speak confidently in front of the recruiter and provide the correct answer, right? And don't and provide the correct answer with confidently, right? So this is the question, right? So I am making the another video with the answers also, one by one answer, right?